The birthday celebration start. There's our cakes. Slice of carrot cake, chocolate cake, and coconut. That's it. Yum.
You eat. You can eat.
All right, we're gonna try the cakes, the coconut, the carrot, and the chocolate. First, we're gonna try the coconut. All right, go ahead and slice it.
This one?
Yes. Happy birthday to
To
me.
you. Oh.
That's plenty.
Why it's too sweet? It's very sweet.
It's good?
Good.
All right. I'll give it a try.
No, you can eat a lot.
Here we go. Coconut. All right, here's the coconut. Very good. Next, we're going to try the carrot cake. Have you had carrot cake before?
Yes.
Oh, you have? Oh,
Mhm.
okay. Here it goes. That's enough. All right. How is it? It's
Very
all right.
carrot.
Yeah.
Carrot.
Yeah.
Carrot.
It's carrot cake. What do you think?
It's very carrot. It's sweet.
Very carroty, I guess.
Mhm.
Here's the carrot cake. Not bad. All right, on to the chocolate cake next. And last, we have the chocolate cake.
See your plate?
Right there, your plate's fine. There you go. Thank you. I like this one. It's good.
It's okay.
All right. All right. And last is the chocolate cake. So let's give this a try. I got a really big piece here, but we'll give it a go. Wow. All right. This one's the winner out of the three. That's it. Thank you. Bye.